So I'll start this activity with a huge clap, please. Yeah. As you know that in SMB English we have a lot of different activities, but in this activity our new students will try to speak in front of camera and for the first time. Yeah, some students will come in front of the camera for the first time, and that is not easy, coming in front of camera and speaking English. Okay, and in front of 20 people, 25 people is not going to be easy. But I don't do easy jobs, right? I want to do right jobs, right? So are you ready?
Yes, sir.
All right. In this activity you're going to speak just 2 lines. अब आपके मन में आएगा सही 2 लाइन से क्या होगा? इस 2 लाइन से पता है क्या होगा? आपके हेजिटेशन हटेंगे. किस किस चीज़ का हेजिटेशन? ये लाइट जल रहा है, देख रहे हो, सामने कैमरा है, सामने 20-25 लोग बैठे हुए हैं, माइक आप पकड़ोगे हाथ पे तो वो हाथ भी कांप सकता है. तो ये सारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगी इफ़ यू ट्राई दिस. एंड वन थिंग आई वांट टू सजेस्ट यू, बी वेरी क्विक इन टेकिंग योर फर्स्ट स्टेप. पहला कदम उठाने में जल्दीबाजी करो, राइट? वाई? अगर आपने नहीं उठाया, व्हाट विल हैपन, यू नो, योर माइंड विल टेल, पता है एक आदमी गया रहा है स्टेज पर. हाँ, तो ये सारी बातें मन में आने लगेगी, राइट? तो बी क्विक. इफ आई टेल हु इज कमिंग, ऑल द हैंड्स शुड गो अप. मैंने बोला कौन आ रहा है, सारे हाथ ऊपर चले जाने चाहिए. आई एम कमिंग सर. देयर शुड नॉट बी कंफ्यूजन. ओके, ऑल राइट. सो आर यू रेडी?
Yes, sir.
So I want to use the mic here, right? Obviously you want to know what are these sentences. Yes, sentences are very beautiful, and the sentences are your everyday's performance must be better than the last day's performance. And this is the biggest challenge. कई तरीके से बोल सकते हैं आप. Your everyday's performance must be better than the last day's performance, and this is the biggest challenge. पूरे एटीट्यूड के साथ बोलना है. गलती होगा, don't worry. So I don't want to take a lot of time. I'm calling my first candidate here, and he is Mr. Arshad. Okay, पहली बार जिंदगी में कैमरा पे आया है, पहली बार, right?
Yes, sir.
हम आपको ट्रेनिंग दे रहे हैं
Yes.
कैमरा पर आने का.
Yes, sir.
कब के लिए? ब्याह होगा तो रिकॉर्डिंग होगा, होगा ना भैया रिकॉर्डिंग. वो भी लंबा वाला कैमरा रहेगा और डर लग जाएगा. तुम बोलोगे हम नहीं करेंगे. गलत हो जाएगा, गलत हो जाएगा. तो पीठ पिटा देगा, उन लोग बोलेगा नहीं करेगा, ले, राइट? सो इसीलिए ट्रेनिंग दे. किसी ट्रेनिंग दे रहे हैं आपको? ब्याह नहीं, सॉरी, अंग्रेजी सीखने के लिए ट्रेनिंग दे रहे हैं. सो प्लीज स्टार्ट. माइक पकड़िए और सेंटेंस को रिकॉर्ड कीजिए, रिपीट कीजिए.
Your everyday performance must be better than last day performance. This is the biggest challenge.
खत्म हो गया, खत्म हो गया. बहुत बढ़िया, एक्सीलेंट. डर भी लग रहा है, मुझे लग रहा है. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. कह रहा डर नहीं लग रहा. अच्छा है, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. डर लग भी रहा है, बोलेगा नहीं लग रहा है. आई डोंट हैव फियर. क्या बोला है? आई डोंट हैव फियर. ऑलराइट, सो दिस विल हैपन, राइट? डर लगेगा. यू विल हैव, यू नो, हार्ट बीट अप, राइट? ओके, योर पल्स रेट विल ग्रो वेरी फास्ट. ओके, डोंट वरी. आई एम कॉलिंग द न्यू बॉय. व्हाट्स योर नेम?
MD रबीउर रहमान.
नाम बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. आ जाओ, आ जाओ. आई एम नॉट एबल टू, यू नो, प्रोनाउंस योर नेम, बट मुबारक हो. आप तो उस वजह से नहीं आए ना. ऑल राइट, होल्ड द माइक. यस, सेंटेंस को रिपीट करना है. रिपीट द सेंटेंसेस, राइट? या,
योर एवरीडे परफॉर्मेंस मस्ट बी बेटर देन द लास्ट परफॉर्मेंस. दिस इज द बिगेस्ट चांस.
चांस, चैलेंज.
चैलेंज.
बोलिए फिर से.
दिस इज द बिगेस्ट चैलेंज.
चैलेंज. ओके, डू यू वांट टू टेक दिस चैलेंज? ये चैलेंज लेना चाहते हैं आप? नहीं, कैमरा सर कबूल भी ना कर रहे हैं कि नहीं सर. थैंक यू वेरी मच. Very beautiful trial, okay? Very beautiful trial, very beautiful trial. Thank you very much. You tried very well. Next student must be coming onto the stage, and his name is Mr. Sachin. अगर अच्छा बोलेगा तो सचिन तेंदुलकर बोलेंगे, नहीं तो फिर सचिन ही रहने देंगे. Please come onto the stage fast. Smile तो देखो चेहरे पे. What a smile यार. Beautiful smile. Great. Okay, all right. Yeah.
Everyday performance
अब जल्दीबाजी में काहे हो भाई? 20 लो, 7 लो. हाँ. Yeah.
Your everyday performance must be better than last performance. And this is a challenge, biggest challenge everyone student.
Everyone is student. ये अपने मन से? जी. Okay. All right. Okay. So my viewers, okay, you also try in the comment box. Same sentence को आप लिखिए comment box में. And please like the videos because actually this is very, very tough, okay? And this commendable activity is done by the students of SMB English, and this batch is very new. It has just completed 10 days, okay? And in these 10 days, these guys are facing the cameras, facing the lion actually. Facing the camera is not less than facing the lion, okay? Speaking on the stage, it means, you know, you're dancing in front of the lion. Don't do that, you know. It's not easy. So I'm calling next student onto the stage. हम इनका भी नाम नहीं जानते क्योंकि कल ही आए हैं, तो नाम कैसे पता रहेगा. आइए, तो बेनाम बादशाह आए हैं. Right? Yeah. Good.
Your everyday performance
Yes.
must be better than the last day's performance. And this is the biggest challenge.
Wow. Perfect. Perfect. Very beautifully done. Nailed it, actually. Right? So, next student, I wanna call, भूल गया नाम. I forgot the name. Okay. जाना है तो जाइए. Stop it. Okay, all right. So, next student, okay. Actually, she is a cute girl. She's coming online this thing. Okay, all right. Yeah. Mike, thank you. Try.
Your everyday performance
Yeah.
must be better than last day.
Relax. Yeah, फिर से try करो. Try again. Yeah.
Your everyday performance must be better than last day. It is the biggest challenge.
You tried well.
Yes.
Energy कहाँ था?
फिर से.
Loud होके थोड़ा try करो. Be loud. Your everyday's performance. बोलिए.
Your everyday performance
Must
be better than last day. It is
last
the
day's performance.
last day performance.
Yeah.
Your everyday performance better than sit.
छिट ना आप जाइए. छिट पे जाइए.
एकदम last.
छिट पे भेज देंगे आप बता रहे. Try. 1 second please. Yeah.
Your everyday performance must be better than last day.
Performance.
It is the
Last day's performance.
last day performance.
Yeah.
It is the biggest challenge.
Wow, fabulous. Thank you very much. Okay, greatly tried, very beautifully tried. Okay, and this, what is this? This girl wants to try. Okay, that's great. So I just want to talk to my viewers. Okay, whatever activity I'm doing just for you, right? And there's all small things can become the reason of your growth. You know, in SMB English, we try different activities, different things. Okay, and how to abolish your problem means fear. And once you do it, you are there. You can speak English very easily, right? Thank you. So she is trying, and it's not easy for them actually because these guys are actually coming for the first time in front of camera. आप हमारे वीडियो में भी जाकर के देख सकते हैं. कहीं पे भी आपको ये लोग नहीं मिलेंगे videos में, you know, because these guys are very new and they have just completed 10 days. 10 दिन में कैमरा के सामने आना आसान नहीं है. It's very tough. Thank you. Please try.
Your everyday performance must be better than and last day's performance. And this is big great
Don't support.
big great challenge.
This is the greatest
This
challenge.
is greatest challenge.
फिर से, this is the
This
greatest
is
challenge.
greatest challenge.
This is the biggest challenge.
This is biggest challenge. Biggest challenge.
हाँ.
This is biggest challenge.
फिर से, this is the biggest
This
challenge.
is biggest challenge.
ये हाथ मतलब नहीं हिला रहा, ऐसे ऐसे कर रहा
This is biggest
हाँ.
challenge. This is
इस हाथ को यूज करना है, इसको माइक को स्टेप बोलो. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग
Thank
मी.
you for
वॉचिंग मी ऐसा फेंकना नहीं है.
Thank you for watching me.
वॉचिंग मी.
Watching me.
फिर से बोलो. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग अस.
Watching us.
वॉचिंग अस.
Watching
अस.
us.
हमें देखने के लिए धन्यवाद. आप लाइक कर दीजिए, कमेंट कर दीजिए, शेयर कर दीजिए अभी इसी वक्त, क्योंकि बिहार के बच्चों को पता चलना चाहिए अंग्रेजी बोलना बहुत ही आसान है. You know, this activity is going very beautifully, and everybody is trying to give tremendous performance, okay? And actually they are facing camera for the first time. Obviously they will make mistakes, right? So viewers, don't take it otherwise. They are trying. After sometimes they will be the best, inshallah. ठीक? So you must support these guys and do it right now with your single click on likes button. Right? Now next I'm calling Miss Fakra. Yeah, please.
I will share one code. This code will change your mindset. Your everyday performance must be better than last day's performance. This is biggest challenge for you.
Thank you. Very well tried. Very well tried. And the way of speaking is very elegant, right? बोलने का तरीका, Mike, is very elegant. Right. So next student, okay, there must be a boy in the group actually. Share the mic with some boy.
Your everyday's performance better than your last day's performance.
एक मिनट इधर पब्लिक इनको देखिए, बोलिए your everyday's performance. ये हाथ ऐसे your everyday's performance.
Your everyday's performance better than your last day's.
Your everyday's performance must be better than the last day's performance. बोलिए.
Your everyday's
ऐसे.
Your everyday's performance better than your last day's performance. This is the biggest challenge of for us.
रिलैक्स होकर बात खत्म नहीं करना था, ठीक है ना. योर एवरी डेज परफॉर्मेंस मस्ट बी बेटर देन द लास्ट डेज परफॉर्मेंस.
Your everyday's performance better than
must be
better than your last day's performance.
Okay.
And this is the biggest challenge for us.
बेटर है. रिलैक्स. थैंक यू. Pass the mic to the students, other boys, okay? Now, he's tried very beautifully, and one more fabulous speaker is coming. No, fabulous speaker. No, he's trying. He will try fabulously, right? Because he is very new, okay? And he is also going to face the camera for the first time, right? Okay. So now, मतलब ना मुश्किल है यार mic लगाना. This is very tough.
Your everyday performance.
Yes.
Your everyday performance
Must be
better than the last
days.
the last then
Last day's performance.
last day performance. This is biggest challenge.
This is biggest challenge.
This is biggest challenge.
फिर से. Try again. Yeah, try again.
Your everyday performance must be better than. Your everyday performance must be better than the last day. The last
Day's performance
the last day performance.
हाँ.
This is biggest challenge.
हो गया. Clap. Beautiful. Excellent. Very well done यार. Very well done. कितना कोशिश कर रहे हैं यार. And viewers, I can, give you a word. Just after 2-3 months, you will watch these guys speaking English very elegantly and very frequently, right? Okay, and with a great fluency, they will speak English. Okay, so you must follow our channel, and if you have not subscribed our channel yet, okay, do it right now. Okay, because you're going to get very new, different type content for improving your English. So next student, Mr. Local Amitabh Bachchan. Okay, yeah, I'm calling Mr. Rajaul now to the stage. ये कैमरा से भी बाहर हो जाते हैं कभी-कभी, right? तो हम अब हट लेते हैं because हमें किसी के सामने छोटा दिखने की आदत नहीं है, right? हम हट लेते हैं, yeah.
Your everyday performance must be better than the last day performance.
Hi.
Guys, you know, this is the biggest problem for you.
What होता है? रिश्ते में तो तुम्हारे यहाँ बाप लगते हैं, नाम है शगुन। बढ़िया है, very beautiful. आपने जैसा सोचा मैंने वैसे ही बोला. Excellent job. Cameraman is also wanted to come, but he will come at last actually, right? Okay. Next student onto the stage, and please install the mic. Okay. Without calling, he is coming. No problem. He is saving our time. Yes. Yeah.
Your first day performance must be better.
भैया फर्स्ट डे नहीं, your every day.
Oh yes, yes.
हमें सेम सेंटेंस रिपीट करना है.
Your everyday performance must be better than your last day's performance. This is the very greatest challenge for you.
Greatest challenge for you. Wow, what a beautiful style. Greatest challenge for you. Wow. These guys are enjoying actually. You must enjoy the activity. If you enjoy any activity, your fear will go. Fear will, bye-bye, take care, I'm going. They will leave you. Right? Okay. Next student. I want to call the next student. ये भी बिना बुलाए तैयार हो गया है, Mr. Niketan. Yeah, please give your best. All right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Your everyday performance, must be better than last day performance.
Wow.
This is the biggest challenge for you. Thank you.
क्या बात है. No word. I don't have word.
Thank you, sir.
Great job. Beautiful, excellent. कमाल कर दिया लड़के ने यार. Just in 15 days. How can he speak like this? That he can speak like this because you are his trainer. You mean to say that?
Yes.
That's great. So I want to call next student onto the stage, and who is installing the mic? Okay. Yeah, Mr. Boy, is that done? Mr. Rahul, you done?
Yes, sir.